Hi, in last video we tried some simple 3D rendering, and let's continue. In this video I'm going to share you with things I learned with 3D perspective, which simply means if there is something far away from us, it should look like smaller. Actually, this picture is better than this one. When it comes to graphics rendering with WebGL, the graphics with bigger Z value should look larger. So let's get started. I just implemented a function called draw polyhedron. Where it is? Here. So I can draw another one. New one again. Let's set those 4 polyhedron with different z value. I'm going to set the value incrementally. And this second one is -2, 1. Okay. Now they just look like the same. To implement the 3D perspective, we should make some change on text shader. We should manipulate the x and y to make it look like smaller. Let me add a new variable called it xy division and make it 1.0. And I'm going to divide the xy by this variable. So if it's just 1.0, it just remain the same. If it's say 0.8, they grow bigger. We can hard code a factor here, minus say 1.6 multiply z. Since in this step the z is already mapped to a value between -1 and 1. So the bigger the z is, the smaller the xy division is, makes the division result bigger. So let's try it. If you want to change the value of this factor, we can add a new variable here, called it uniform float, and the name of it is perspective factor. And we can use the perspective factor here. Read the location of this variable. And let's set the value. We can change it to a number, say 1.7, 5, 2. So the smaller the factor is, the smaller the effect is. So if I change it back to 9. So that's it. Thanks for your time. And I will try my best to share what I learned.